for you. Is the screen visible, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So here, this is one of the websites, right? I think we had made it together. Like I had again made it with my students only. So now I'll click on this about section here, and it takes me to another web page. And now I come back to my main home page. So again, there's also one more link here, which is for the text. So this is what you guys wanted, right? You wanted to connect your one web page to another like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for that, as I told you, we will be using anchor tag. So anchor tag works something like this. I'll open my pad and I'm sharing my entire screen now. So let's say this is web page, which is like my first. I hope you can. So this pastime activities is the first. The pastime activities title is the first homepage that we have made here for our website. So now here in the body section, I'll take the anchor tag. Why in the body section? Because whatever will appear on our website is going to appear in the body section, right? So it's very simple. Just take like this. AHREF. HREF stands for the reference, the source. And then so how I have written this is very simple. Let's say I present my website to you. Okay. So let's say this is the other web page that I have, right? So when I'm presenting this, you can see its file location, right? Just click here, copy the file location, and paste it here in the anchor tag. Something like this. I'll again add it here. You can see. So I'm starting my anchor tag with AHRF. Very simple. Just give equal to quotations and paste. Let me copy it. I didn't copy it, so I'll copy it now. Now I'll paste the location here, but when I am pasting, guys, as you can see, file colon triple slash is also coming. So this is not at all required. So this was just for the browser reference. So we will delete this and we will start from C. That's it. We are done. Just close the location, close the quotation and your angular brackets. Now, when you noticed in my website, in my home page, about was written, right? When I clicked on this about, so this is a hypertext, right? Do you remember, guys, hypertext, hyperlinks? When we click on a hypertext, it takes us to some other web page. When we click on a hyper image, it takes us to some other web page. Do you remember? You don't remember? Okay. So it's very simple. Just this any text that you click. So let's say this text. This is not a clickable text, right? But this text here is a clickable text. So it means it's a hypertext. So when we click on this text, it takes us to another web page. So what is the text that you want to make as your hypertext? What you want to write here? Like I have written about here. So on my web page, main web page, about will appear as the hypertext. And when you click on about, it takes you to another web page. Similarly, here I have written my opening anchor tag. This is the attribute. This is the value of the attribute. So I've written my opening anchor tag. Now, after opening anchor tag, I am going to write content. Okay, so content, let's say, take me to new web page. So this is again a very big thing. If you want, you can write long sentences, short sentences, your wish. Now I'll just close my anchor tag. I've closed it here. So this is what I've done in front of you guys now. I'm going to save it, come back to my web page, refresh it, and here we go. So are we getting the hypertext here which says take me to new web page? Can you see it? Yeah. Was it clear, guys? Is it not clear? Vanya, Navya. Okay. So when I click here, see what happens. I'll just click here and it takes me to my next web page. Right? So it is as simple as that, guys. You can check the code here. It's very simple. Just take the anchor tag inside it. Just take a HREF inside it. Write the location of your HTML file. How you get the location, I told you, right? And then after opening anchor tag, just write your content and close it. That's all. It's pretty much simple. So now I want both of you to one by one share your screen and let's do it. Yeah. So Vanya, can you share your screen? Or Navya, anyone? I think it was simple. Any questions still? Any doubts? Feel free to ask. Can I get a yes or a no?
No, ma'am, not really.
Not really. You can share your screen. Let's do it.
1 second, ma'am.
And in the meanwhile, Navya, even you can make your code in Notepad. And after Vanya is done, you can share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, I can see it.
Ma'am, this is like the first page of my website. And then there's this.
Both the pages are same or are they different?
No, ma'am, they're different. I have different pages like this.
Okay. So can you just open like 2 pages? Just open 2 pages.
Done, ma'am.
So can you open on Chrome?
Okay.
See, on Notepad, you can open your main page. Yeah, like this. Yes. Cool. So now you can copy its file location. Just go to the address bar. Yes. Copy it. That's all. Done. Now come to your main website ka Notepad. The main homepage rahega. Yeah. So now inside body, where you want to insert, tell me.
Ma'am, after the images.
After images. Okay. So image लिखा है ना?
हाँ मैम.
एक source जहाँ पे end हो रहा है. Do I see this is the same image here, which was taken from the website earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, change नहीं किया.
No, ma'am.
No problem. Change कर लेना. अभी जहाँ पे ये end हो रहा है, I think first paragraph is entirely of image source, right? तो जिधर BR लिखा है ना, BR 3 BR लिखा है इसमें. हाँ, तो पहले BR के बाद आ जाओ. पहला जो BR लिखा है, हाँ, अभी एंटर प्रेस करो. अभी एंकर टैग को ओपन करो. चाहो तो एक और बार एंटर डाल दो ताकि कंफ्यूजन ना हो. एंटर प्रेस कर लो. हाँ, अब ऊपर वाली लाइन में जाके लेट्स राइट एंकर टैग.
नहीं मैम, ये दो इमेजेस हैं, एक ये और एक ये।
आई गॉट योर पॉइंट। तो दो इमेज के बीच में डालने के बाद में, दोनों के बाद?
बाद में।
ठीक है, तो बाद में आ जाओ।
यहाँ
हाँ, यहाँ आ जाओ। तो अभी यहाँ पे बस ओपन द ए टैग, you can type small a href। फिर ए एच आर ई एफ, फिर उसके बाद इक्वल टू साइन, स्पेस देने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोटेशन। ए को कैपिटल कर सकते हैं हम लोग, ए एच आर ई एफ वाले ए।
मैम ए कैपिटल ही है।
सॉरी, स्मॉल।
Okay.
अभी कोटेशंस के अंदर जो कॉपी किया है ना उसको पेस्ट कर दो। हाँ, अभी सी के पहले जो भी है उसको डिलीट कर दो, जैसे फाइल कोलन ट्रिपल स्लैश, ये सब डिलीट कर दो। हाँ, अभी क्लोज द कोटेशन, क्लोज द एंगुलर ब्रैकेट, या कम आफ्टर द ब्रैकेट एंगुलर ब्रैकेट। अभी यहाँ पे लिखो जो भी लिखना है। कैसे कनेक्ट करोगे ब्लैक होल? ठीक है, अभी क्लोज द एंकर टैग, open angular bracket, you are done. Just save the file from text। तो अभी जो वेबसाइट है
ये रहा। मैम कलर कैसे चेंज करना है?
इसका
वो लिंक का कलर कैसे चेंज करते हैं?
लिंक का कलर तो चेंज नहीं होता है क्योंकि ये एंकर टैग्स कर रहे ना, तो वो ब्लू ही रहेगा।
ओके मैम।
तो अभी does it take you to your web page?
यस मैम।
Are you happy now?
यस मैम।
Okay, so similarly you can connect all the web pages। तो अभी एक और काम करो वान्या। Now Navya,
ma'am.
here till that time Vanya, you have to delete, so just come on your notepad, image
Yes, ma'am.
source। हाँ, अभी जो इमेज सोर्स में ये सब है ना, डिलीट करके एक प्रॉपर लोकेशन डाल के मेरे को दिखाओ, ठीक है?
ओके
तो
मैम।
उसके लिए क्या करना है, सिंपल जो भी इमेज ले रहे हो उसको डाउनलोड करो या जो भी करो, उसकी फाइल लोकेशन जाके यहाँ पे डालो, ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
ऑल राइट, गुड। So Navya, can you share your screen now?
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, it's loading, I think. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So you want me to open the code or the Google Pay web page?
What you have to open for the main home page, which is your main website. And both the websites you can open in Chrome. So let's say history of talent. This you want to add, this link you want to add in your main web page, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just copy its location. Copy the location from address bar.
Okay, address bar.
Here, just go to address bar, copy it.
Okay, done.
Now, notepad पे आके your main website. Go below D, wherever you want to attach it. Below wherever you. Yeah. You can start your anchor tag there. AHRES. Same way how you have written the image source. Same way. Equal to sign. Open the quotation. Paste the location. You can delete that file. That's it. We are done. So now you can close it. After that, write the content of anchor tag, how it should appear as the hypertext. Close the angular bracket. now you can write. So you can write valid list. Yeah. And just give a closing anchor tag. Save the file. Back to home. Let
Okay, ma'am, ये तो आ गया, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to link the images to the web page.
तो
So
उसके
like,
लिए
sorry,
बताओ कैसे.
हाँ वो मेरे को नहीं आता.
सेम वे क्या करना है ना, जैसे एक इमेज को अगर हमें कनेक्ट करना है, ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हमें सेम वे एंकर टैग यूज करेंगे. तो जैसे कि मान लो कौन सा इमेज लेना है, कोई भी एक इमेज बताओ.
ये फर्स्ट वाला.
ये लेना है, ठीक है. तो इसकी लेकिन HTML हमें फाइल बनानी है, ठीक है, क्योंकि एंकर टैग टेक्स HTML फाइल्स, रिमेंबर. सो एक नया नोटपैड बनाओ जिसमें सिर्फ इमेज सोर्स लेना है, मतलब हेड लेना है, बॉडी लेना है, बॉडी के नीचे सिर्फ इमेज सोर्स लेना और कुछ भी नहीं लेना है. तो वो पूरे पेज में सिर्फ एक इमेज ही आएगी.
टाइटल चाहिए नहीं चाहिए?
हाँ टाइटल डाल सकते हैं क्योंकि ओपन तो हो गई, तो डाल दो इमेज, वैलिड इमेज और पिक्चर, व्हाटएवर यू लाइक.
फिर बॉडी में?
हाँ फिर बॉडी में जाओ, फिर इमेज सोर्स लो,
सेम इमेज का ही ना?
सेम इन कॉपी ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट, दूसरे वाले नोटपैड से कॉपी कर सकते हो. पूरा ही कॉपी कर. बॉडी क्लोज करो, HTML क्लोज करो. Save it as .html file.
Sorry?
Save it as .html file.
Okay.
And we are done. Save as. Okay.
Okay. अभी
जो सेव किया है डेस्कटॉप पे जाओ, ओपन करो क्रोम में. अभी उसकी फाइल लोकेशन को कॉपी करो, हाइट विड्थ बढ़ा दो चाहिए तो.
हाँ मैं बाद में बढ़ा दूंगी.
फिर अभी नोटपैड पे जाके जैसे किया था, एंकर टैग दिया था, वैसे चाहो तो उसके नीचे एक एंकर टैग ले लो या जहाँ भी लेना है ले लो. प्रोसीजर
कहाँ पे लूँ? यहाँ पे ले लो इसके बाद.
तो इसके बाद लेने से ओके ले लो, कोई बात नहीं. एक काम करो, एक बार वेबसाइट पे जाओ बैंक वाली, यहाँ पे पता है कहाँ पे अच्छा लगेगा? वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ डांसिंग के नीचे.
वर्ल्ड ऑफ डांसिंग के नीचे यहाँ पे?
हाँ यहाँ पे अच्छा लगेगा, अलग से दिखेगा ना हाइपर टेक्स्ट, क्लिक करने में मजा आएगी.
नहीं तो फिर एक वेब पेज पे बाकी सारे की लिंक्स होएगी ना?
तो करना कैसे है, क्या इस वेब पेज पे सारे हाइपर लिंक्स डाल के इमेज पे
हाँ
जाना है?
हाँ
ठीक है, तो फिर ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, तो फिर ये सारा तो डिलीट ही होना है वैसे भी,
ओके।
सही कर। तो जहाँ पे भी ये सब इमेज सोर्स है इसको डिलीट कर दो,
किधर गया? हाँ ये रहा।
या अभी के लिए रख लो, अभी के लिए रख लो, उसको कॉपी पेस्ट कर लेना न्यू वेब पेजेस।
ओके।
जहाँ पे ये स्टार्ट है ना पहला इमेज सोर्स, उसके
हाँ
पहले ही एंकर टैग था होगा। ठीक है बात।
इसको तो नेम नहीं करना होगा ना?
नहीं करना, नहीं तो लोग पे क्लिक करेंगे। तो बीच में कंटेंट डाल दो कोई, जहाँ पे ओपनिंग टैग क्लोज हो रहा है वहाँ पे
क्या
तो
कंटेंट डालूं?
इमेज 1 करके डाल दो। एंगुलर ओपनिंग एंगुलर ब्रैकेट है ना, ओपनिंग
हाँ
एंगुलर ब्रैकेट, उसके बाद वेयर इट एंड्स देयर
यहाँ पे।
anchor tag. Okay, can you go and on the closing anchor tag?
हाँ
उसके पहले just before it,
यहाँ पे।
हाँ हाँ यहाँ पे बस लिख दो image 1।
ये तो यहाँ पे ले आया मेरे को।
हाँ यही चाहिए था ना कि वो लेके जाए एक इमेज पे।
इमेज पे नहीं, इस वेब पेज पे, जो बैले का सेपरेट वेब पेज है।
ओके तो इसको कॉपी कर लो, जहाँ पे भी जाना है बस उसकी फाइल कॉपी करके डालते जाओ, दैट्स ऑल। और फिर उसको लिख दो हिस्ट्री ऑफ बैलेट या हिस्ट्री। जहाँ पे इमेज 1 लिखा है उसको डिलीट करके हिस्ट्री लिखो।
ओके आ गया।
हैप्पी?
हाँ
ओके। So यहाँ पे टोटल हाउ मेनी वेब पेजेस आर यू मेकिंग?
इसमें 9 आएंगे।
टोटल 9। ओके
हाँ
तो अभी क्या है ना, आई होप यू नो दिस, मतलब स्ट्रक्चर अच्छे से दिखाना है। जैसे ये तो थोड़ा रफ स्केच हो गया, फिर उसको हिस्ट्री ऑफ बैलेट को या और जितने भी हाइपर लिंक्स ऐड करना है ना, चाहो तो एक रो में ही ऐड कर देना थोड़ा स्पेस देके, चाहो तो अगर इमेज के बात करो तो उसको प्रॉपरली अरेंज कर लेना।
ओके।
Yeah. So guys, that's a wrap up for anchor tag. I hope it was clear. And now, Vanya, your turn to share your screen.
मैम मैंने वो लोकेशन करके किया तो लाइक मेरा वो जो कभी कभार वो इमेज का आइकन आता है ना, वो आ गया, अब मेरी पिक्चर नहीं खुल रही।
ओ ऐसा हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ
तो पहले जो लोकेशन डाला था वो कंप्यूटर का ही लोकेशन था या कहीं और का लोकेशन था?
वेब का लोकेशन था, वेब से।
और ये ऑनलाइन ही प्रेजेंट करना है, राइट?
हाँ
ठीक है
मैम
तो
को
वैसा
गूगल
ही
पे
रहना,
देना है, सबमिट देना है।
ठीक है तो वैसा ही रहने दो। बट जनरली ट्राई क्या करो कि वेब का अगर अभी तो स्कूल में देना है, जब अपने लिए बना रहे हो तो ट्राई किया करो कि वेब का इमेज ना देना पड़े. हाँ, but once you publish it, then you can do. Okay. Okay. So let's start the chapter now. Again, let's resume the chapter now. So I'll share my screen now for you guys and tell me when you can see it. Yeah, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
So till where did we do in the previous class? Any idea? Someone wrote
Ma'am, we were on page 13, of the yeah.
of the PDF like this.
Yeah.
I think even background graphics we did discuss. You know what, guys? More than adding any image or video, I love adding GIFs the most. So it makes your website look so lively because if you add a video, it won't automatically switch on, right? Again, you have to click it and then it runs. Similarly, for an image, it's just there. But when you add a GIF, it's how GIFs are made. So I just love it. So if possible, even you guys, try to add some GIFs to your websites that you're making. So I
Yes.
think we have to discuss from here only, page number 13 and this. Okay, let's start. So Navya, can you read out the first two paragraphs?
Yes, ma'am. Background graphics. Newer versions of web browsers can load an image and use it as a background when displaying a page. Some people like background images and some don't. In general, if you want to include a background, make sure your text can be read easily when displayed on top of the image. Background images can be a texture, linen finished paper, for example, or an image of an object, a logo possibly. You create you create the background image as you do any image. However, you only have to create a small piece of image using a feature called, ma'am, is that tilling or tiling? Ma'am?
Yeah, I'm so sorry, I was on mute. Yeah, it's called
Yes.
tiling.
Okay. Using a feature called tiling, a browser takes the image and repeats it across and down to fill your browser window. In some, you generate one image and the browser replicates it enough times to fill your window. This action is automatic when you use the background tag shown below. The tag to include a background image is included in the body statement as an attribute.
Thank you for reading out. So again, it's as simple as it looks like. You just have to add it. Even people add it in image source also. Uh, but then you can also add it like this, which is like body background equals then whatever your file name is .gif. That's all. So yeah. So again, it is not supported over previous versions of browsers, but newer versions of browsers definitely support it. And yeah, and you can load it as your background also. So background images again can be any texture, they can be any type, bitmap, vector, any type of image, any logo possible. So you create the background image as you do any, like it's very simple. It just comes in the background. That's all. So yeah, but however, you only have to create a small piece of the image, meaning small tile. So let's say if when we add as a background, okay. So background generally, if I don't have it. If you saw my web page, the first one which I made, it was like the picture was large in size, right? So generally, what happens when you add as a body background, it comes It creates a small piece of the image, not its entire size. So you can again customize it, give your own size. That is what they are saying. And to sum it up, you just generate one image and the browser replicates it enough times to fill your window, like small tiles. That this is called, tiling, which you read. And tiling again, I hope you have seen this. So small icons come repeatedly on your browser, like this. Like tiles are placed. Similarly, even your images will appear like small tiles on your browser. That's all. So to tag, the tag to include is this, which you see, body background equals file name.gif, and it will add your GIF. Yeah, okay. Or your background image, be very particular. So next up we have, what do we have? Yeah, so here, even here, they have guys, as you can see. So this is one image only, but then as you can see, multiple, multiple copies of it are shown, right? So this is only called tiling. Their image is going to appear at multiple places in the form of small icons as the background of your website or web page. That's all. Any questions in this styling feature? What is styling? How to add background? Anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So then next up we have background color. I think we've already done this. You guys have already used it in your web pages. So Vanya, can you read out?
By default, browsers display text on a gray background. However, you can change both elements if you want. Some HTML authors select background color and coordinate with a change in the color of text. Always preview changes like this to make sure your pages are readable. In general, try to avoid using both contrast images or images that use the same color of the text anywhere within the graphic. You change color or text links, visited links, and active links using further attributes of body tag. For example, body PG color hashtag 00000 text hashtag FFFFF link is equal to hashtag 9690cc. This will create a windows with the black background with white text and silvery hyperlinks.
Yes, thank you for reading out. So as you can see here, we are adding a background color to our body using hexadecimal codes, right? So I think we have already discussed about hexadecimal codes. Whatever color we use, either you can write its name or you can give it encoding, hexadecimal coding, like hashtag 6x0, 6x F, and so on. So let's say you want to add teal color, magenta color, yellow color. So link you want to make it yellow, text you want to make it magenta, and background color you want to make it teal, right? So for that, you can either give it code like this, but you have to remember that which tag you are using. So in body tag only, you will do all these styling up, like background color, color of your text, your link, etc. If you want, you can also do it right now, guys, for as a small activity. So just open your notepads, type this code there. So how you have to type is very simple. Let's say, I hope you can see my entire screen. So it's very simple. Go on your web page and where you have written body, inside body only, just type like BG color is equal to page, and whatever you want to. Let's say hashtag XXX, right? Then next tag text is equal to hashtag 000 or whatever, 6x0, or you can directly give the colors. So like this, inside body tag only, you can add the BG color. Okay. Yeah, anyone is asking any question? Any questions in this?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
my text is already in black, so if I use black color on my PG, it won't work.
Yeah, like you can just do it right now and delete it. It's not that you have to keep it. Just as a small activity, you can do it so that you get the hang of it, how it's done. If you want, you can just take body background color is equal to teal. That's all. And you can close your tag there.
Okay, I'll try.
Just that much you guys can. And tell me, do you see the changes in your
Yes,
website?
ma'am, we feel, but it isn't looking as.
I was going to say it won't look good again because color contrasting is a again different concept. So here that activity was just to show you that even in this way you can add your colors to different things. Now you can delete them. No need to keep them. I hope both of you did that and both of you got the results. Okay. So Navya, can you read out these 5 pointers?
Yes, ma'am. The background color is teal. That means BG color equals to teal. Text color is magenta. Text equals to magenta. Links that have not been visited recently are made yellow. Link equals to yellow. Recently visited links are made lime green. VLink equals to lime. Links blink briefly red when someone clicks them. A link equals to red. A link equals to red.
Yeah. So that was again, it's already quite simple looking here also what they mean, right? But still, that was just a brief about it. So next up, we have to make background appear black or whatever color you want or recently visited link. So it is now showing how it's done. So here in the body, we do this, right? Just now you guys have already done this. So yeah, again they are showing it how it's done. So they are showing that after head tag, closing head tag, when you open the body tag, there only you will add all these features, PG color features. That's all. And then you get the output. So I think you've already got the output, both of you. Any questions still here? Navya, Vanya, anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So that takes us to the next part, which is color codes. Yeah. So as I told you, there are colors and then there are codes, RGB codes for the color in hexadecimal format. So what is hexadecimal? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am,
What is
hexadecimal is like
yeah.
a number of, it's like a group of numbers we use with a hashtag.
Okay. So yeah, you are right. So it's a numbering system, just like our Roman numerals, just like binary numbers, decimal numbers. Similarly, hexadecimal numbers are there. Hashtag again is used because of HTML. If you use it outside HTML, let's say anywhere else in coding or anywhere else out there, you don't need hashtag. Only in here you need it. So yeah, so hexadecimals are a number starts from 0 ends at 15. Okay, I hope you can already see my screen. I'll just show you here. It's something like this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can anyone tell me what will be after 9? Generally, what is there after 9? Which number?
10.
Right? So, but in hexadecimal, what happens? After 9, A comes. So, A actually stands for 10. Okay? So, next, similarly, what will come?
B.
Yes. So, B will come. Similarly,
So B is for 11 or
yes, yes,
okay.
11.
So
Okay?
C, D, E, F.
Right? So, F is the last number. Why last number? Because hexadecimal. So, total it has 16 digits, 16 numbers starting from 0 till 15. Okay, so this is 15 and not 16 because we are starting from 0. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
This was it about hexadecimal codes. So now you know this. When I say it's hashtag 00 4 times F, it means that 00 stands for 0 only, but F stands for which number?
Ma'am, can you repeat? Your voice was cracking.
My voice is cracking. Okay, so I said, let's have a look of this. A is 10, B is 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. Okay, so now in this color coding, RGB color coding, here we have 00 4 times F, right? So now you know what F stands for,
15.
right? So this was it about hexadecimals. Now, any one of you, I think last who read, Navya read, right? So Vanya, you can read out this paragraph.
Ma'am, for some basic colors one, right?
This one, the 6-digit number.
6-digit number and letter combinations represent colors by their RBG value. The 6 digits are actually 3 digits, 2-digit numbers in a sequence representing the amount of red, green, or blue value, or as a hexadecimal value in the range of 00FF. For example, 00000 is black, FF 0000 is bright red, 000FF is bright blue, and FFFFF is white. You yourself can try out these various combinations of these.
Ma'am, are you saying something? You're on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, I'm really sorry, guys. There was some glitch at my place. Okay, I'll just share my screen. Yeah. So, I hope you read out till here, right? No problem. Let's continue. So, guys, do you see this line which says that the six digits are actually three two-digit numbers in sequence? Yeah. The six digits, here we have six digits. They are actually three two-digit numbers in sequence. Meaning what? Meaning, let's say RGB, red, green, blue. Okay. So red might be 00, green might be double F, and blue might be, again, let's say double F. It is not going to be same, but then again, let's keep it double F. Let's say red might be 00, F might be blue, again F, double F might be blue. It says that, let's say 00FF. So it stands for two colors here. And similarly, you can see three colors are there, right? Because total six digits are there and two digits stand for one color. So six digits in total, six digits meaning three groups. One group of two digits stands for one color. Was it clear? Was this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So hence you have, so many different colors here, aqua, black. So you can see black. Black is zero only. Because again, black is no combination with any other color, right? It's a basic color. It's not a combination color. Hence it's six digits, zero only, all the same, right? So similarly, white you can see. So white is all, six digits F. Why six digits F? Because it's the basic color. It's or not any combination color. But if you see aqua, it's a combination color. Green, it's a combination color. Purple, it's a combination color. This is what this paragraph is saying. Okay. So Navya, can you read this paragraph?
Yes, ma'am. For some basic colors, you can also use the name of the color instead of the corresponding RGB value. For example, black, red, blue, cyan are all valid for use in the place of RGB values. However, while not all browsers will understand all color names, any browser that can display colors will understand RGB value, so use them whenever possible. Various other names are there and their RGB values are listed in table 3.2.
Yeah, that's it. So that was it about hexadecimal colors and color codes in HTML. So next up we have margins. So how many margins are there in total?
4.
Yes, what are they?
Left margin, right margin, top and center. Justify.
Yeah, justified is also there. Okay, so let's see. Just a minute. See how much is there. So we have like 25 more minutes. I also wanted to play a quiz with you guys. Do you like playing quizzes?
On the app quizzes?
Yeah, like I'll be presenting my screen and I'll be playing a quiz with you, and you have to just select options. That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, but I wanted one more thing
Yeah.
for my ballet webpage. I wanted
Yeah.
to write a quote about dance on every web page, and I wanted that to be in marquee form, like the moving text.
I
But I
got your point.
don't know how to use it, so um, if you
Okay.
could help me with that.
Sure, definitely. So let's do one thing. Again, these, small things are part of your project, right? So again, we don't have to, मतलब कोर्स में भी लैगिंग नहीं आना चाहिए. So एक काम करते हैं, कोर्स हम लोग अभी फिनिश कर लेते हैं, फिर लास्ट का 5 मिनट्स जो बचता है एक बार क्विक रिकैप कर लेंगे. और जैसे जो भी मार्की चाहिए और कोई भी चाहिए ना, एक्स्ट्रा जो भी फीचर डालना है वेबसाइट पे जो कि हमारी बुक में नहीं दिया है, वो क्या करो, मेरे को एक बार इस पे टेक्स्ट डाल दो या तो मैं लिख लेती हूँ, ठीक है, ताकि मैं बाद में आराम से तुम्हारा कोड देख के सही जगह उसको मार्की का जो भी कोड है वो मैं दे सकूं, क्योंकि उसका बहुत सारा तरीका होता है, एक तरीका नहीं है, राइट। सो मेरे को एक बार अपना कोड भेज देना, ठीक है। आर यू देयर ऑन टीम्स?
No.
यू आर नॉट देयर। आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट योर व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप, राइट?
हाँ,
तो उस पे क्या करना, अपना कोड कॉपी करके व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप में डाल देना, ठीक है,
तो
नहीं तो
code
काम्या मैम
कैसे
को दे
copy
देना।
करना? I don't know how to send the code.
It's very simple. Just go on Notepad, copy your entire script. That's all done. And just copy it and then काम्या मैम को भेज देना, उनको बोल देना मैम भावना मैम को शेयर कर दो, तो मैं एक बार तुम्हारा कोड देख लूंगी, फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग जहाँ पे भी अभी मेरे को दिखा दो मार्की कहाँ पे चाहिए, क्योंकि देयर आर सो मेनी वेज टू डू इट।
अभी
सो
दिखाऊं?
जो भी, हाँ अभी दिखा दो। तो जो भी चाहिए रहेगा ना, जो सिंपल होगा वो मैं उस कोड में अटैच करके तुम्हें भेज दूंगी, ठीक है। और हाँ, और गाइस एक दिन ऐसा करेंगे कि हम लोग अपना ये फिनिश करके, कोर्स फिनिश करके थोड़ा हाफ एन आवर निकाल के, और भी प्रोजेक्ट में जो भी चीज़ें चाहिए ना आप लोग को, हम लोग वो सब उस दिन बैठ के करेंगे, ठीक है,
ठीक है मैम।
क्योंकि कोर्स स्पीड में जाना चाहिए। ओके, विच टेक्स्ट यू वांट टू ऐड एज मार्की?
I just want to suppose अभी मेरे पास कोई specific कोड नहीं है, but suppose बैले हेडिंग मेरे को मार्क की फॉर्म में चाहिए, तो हिस्ट्री ऑफ बैले के ऊपर जो हेडिंग है उसके ऊपर।
सो लेट्स से हिस्ट्री ऑफ बैले के ऊपर कोई और टेक्स्ट लिखा रहेगा, राइट, विच यू वांट टू मेक इट एज मार्की फॉर्मेट,
हाँ,
या ओके। सो जो ये है ना, ये पूरा कॉपी कर लो,
टॉप से
हाँ टॉप से बस पी तक, उससे ज्यादा रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है,
कहाँ तक?
बस इतना काफी है, जो
तक?
लास्ट वाला पी है ना, हाँ हाँ बस यहाँ तक कॉपी कर लो।
लास्ट वाला नीचे।
ठीक है, ये कॉपी कर लो, फिर व्हाट्सएप पे जो काम्या मैम है ना उनको दे दो, ठीक है।
ओके,
सो एक ही
पूरा
जगह चाहिए, राइट,
ना फिर कोड तो।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पूरा ही कर लो, डजेंट मैटर,
ओके,
या। और फटाफट कोर्स फिनिश करके, मतलब ये चैप्टर फिनिश करके हम लोग हाफ एन आवर निकालेंगे, और बाकी जो भी फीचर्स डालना है ना सोच के रखना, ठीक है, ऐसे बीच बीच में नहीं, सोच के रखना एक दिन अच्छे से, उस दिन हम लोग सब मिलके बैठ के करेंगे सारा, दोनों का, ठीक है।
तो ऐसे ही भेज दो।
काम्या मैम को पर्सनली भेज दो, उनको बोल दो कि है नंबर उनका सेव्ड है,
नहीं,
नहीं है
इनमें
तो
से कौन सा है आपको पता है क्या?
हाँ ये थर्ड वाला,
ये
86, हाँ हाँ ये वाला, ये भेज,
ठीक
ये
है,
भेज
भेज।
दो और बोल दो कि भावना मैम को मैम शेयर कर दो, बस इतना बोल दो, ठीक है।
हाँ, ठीक है।
ऑल राइट, एंड ऑल्सो वान्या यू ऑल्सो जस्ट थिंक और क्या क्या ऐड करना है, ठीक है, और क्या क्या फॉर्मेट ऐड करना है, क्योंकि इसमें CSS भी हम लोग को करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो एक दिन हम
ओके
लोग जब पूरा ये फिनिश कर लेंगे ना फर्स्ट चैप्टर, उस दिन बैठ के अपना इस पे काम करेंगे, इस वाले प्रोजेक्ट पे, ओके।
बाय मैम।
या I hope the screen is visible to both of you.
यस मैम।
Okay. So yeah, अगेन मार्जिन कहाँ पे देंगे, बॉडी में ही देंगे, क्यों बॉडी में देंगे, क्योंकि बॉडी इज द पार्ट विच वी आर गोइंग टू सी राइट ऑन अ वेब पेज और वेबसाइट, राइट। सो कुछ नहीं करना है, हाउ यू स्टाइल द बॉडी फॉर बीजी कलर, सिमिलरली जब बॉडी ओपन करते हैं ना, जैसे वहां पे जब बीजी कलर अभी लिखा था ना, सेम वे में बस मार्जिन लिख दो, जो भी मार्जिन देनी है, जैसे लेफ्ट मार्जिन देनी है इज इक्वल टू 5, is equal to 500, whatever value you want to give. For example, here you can see, so body left margin is equal to 60. Same way how you give BG color or anything else, body style, anything in your body, the same way. In the opening body tag, just write left margin, top margin, right margin, whatever you want, and then give the value to it. कितना थिकनेस चाहिए, कितने पिक्सल्स का थिकनेस चाहिए, 60 चाहिए तो 60 पिक्सल्स का आएगा, 70 चाहिए तो 70 का आएगा, एज सिंपल एज दैट, और कुछ नहीं करना है यहाँ पे। So अभी here they have given one example. As you can see, head tag is ending here, right? And body tag is opening here. So inside opening body tag only, we are taking a top margin of 60 pixels and also one more margin, which is left margin of 75 pixels. That's all. And इधर फिर margin आ जाएगा. So you can see इतना space छूट गया यहाँ पे. So ये total कितने का space है? 60 pixels. Right, so 60 pixels का space यहाँ पे छूट गया है margin में. Similarly here 75 pixels का space छूट गया margin से, right? So that's it about top margin and left margin. Similarly, we have right margin also. They have not given it. Okay. Yeah, even similarly, you can also add right margin to it. All right. So yes, now this is a table which says that what and all is not supported in HTML5. So as you know that right now we are working on HTML5, right, which is like the latest version of HTML. So many things are not supported here. So these are the things which are not supported here. Adding, let's say background में URL डालना, बीजी कलर में कलर डालना. सो बीजी कलर में से फोटो डाल सकते, कलर नहीं डाल सकते. लिंक में कलर डालना, टेक्स्ट में कलर डालना. सो दीज थिंग्स आर not supported in HTML5. Remember, Navya, I think you asked me कि मैम उसका कलर कैसे चेंज करेंगे जो हम लिख रहे हैं, राइट? तो मैंने बोला वो नहीं हो सकता है ना. सो
वान्या ने पूछा था.
हाँ, वान्या ने पूछा था. सो वान्या, you got your answer right, because it is again काम नहीं करेगा and वो अब नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि नए वाले HTML में फीचर नहीं है. ठीक है. हाँ. सो बट अगेन स्टाइलिंग और स्टाइलिंग के ऑप्शंस क्या क्या है हमारे पास, जैसे कि मैंने बताया CSS. So we'll be starting with CSS in the next chapter. Again, super awesome stuff here upcoming. I know that you must have already worked on CSS a little bit or a lot. So we'll be working on more in the next class on this. So right now, let's have a quick recap of whatever we discussed till now in HTML. Okay. So guys, be ready. I might be asking few questions from you. So if you want, I can give you like 2 minutes to, flip your pages of the book. I hope you have the hard copy of your book.
Yes, ma'am.
So just flip the pages till wherever we have done.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking.
Yes, ma'am, now it's clear.
Okay. Yeah, so what I'm saying is, no, we have finished our HTML part here. So just open your book quickly and, just go through the pages, like take 2 or 3 minutes. Just go through everything. Just have a glimpse of it. No need to go in detail. Just above CSS. All these, writing codes. Again, it's very simple. You have done all of it. You have made websites also. Yeah. Container element, empty element, right? Self-closing tag, remember? So that is what empty element. Tag structure, name, everything. Just go through all of it. And so till here, you can just have a glimpse. So at sharp 1, okay, it's 1. Now you can start. I give you 2 minutes. At sharp 1 or 2, I'll ask questions. Okay. Any questions, you can raise your hand. Use the raise hand. 30 seconds more. All right. So I hope you guys can see my screen.
Yes.
So let's start our revision, which will be in a quiz format. Try to be quick with your answer.
Paragraph tag. Is it like an order or whoever knows the answer can say it?
Yes, everyone.
Hypertext markup language. Closing paragraph tag.
Even Vanya, you also give answers. One goes
Yes.
to debate.
Ma'am, header tag.
Yes.
Body tag. Tags. Gives you structure and text. Finds the image located at the source in the URL attribute and then displays it. Okay.
That was image source. This was just
Okay.
again which was styling.
I don't know this one.
Let's try it out. Maybe allows attributes to be included, allow
Ma'am, third wala.
allow the body, anything.
Found at the top of styling options. Finds the image located at the URL and the source attribute. Closing body tag. Square. I don't know.
Right. Give it a shot.
Sorry.
Just give it a shot. Just select any option. Anyways, you will learn.
The function.
Okay.
Um, tells the browser how to format our content. Used at the top of the page to apply a style to the entire document. First line of your code. Found at the bottom of written code. Um, numbers H1, H2. Um, I'm not
Vanya,
sure
you
about this
right?
one.
Which option second? Did you say second?
I'm not sure about this one.
Vanya, you right?
Attribute is
I cannot hear you.
ma'am, different options for each tab.
This one.
Closing header
Ma'am,
tab.
closing header tab. Element that wraps everything that is visible on the page.
Now you know.
An input attribute.
All right. So I hope the warm-up quiz was easy for you. Did you like it?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next class, what we will do. So after finishing, again, I think CSS will take 9 minutes.
Ma'am, your voice is really low.
My voice is really low. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm saying that in the next class, Vanya and Navya, your homework is that you have to, be thorough with whatever we did today. Okay, from the beginning till the end. So just keep your like all your concepts again. I hope they are clear. Just be thorough with them. So I'll take a short test with you guys on HTML. Hardly 5 or 10 tests we'll take in the beginning of the class, and then after that we'll start with CSS. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubts, any questions today's class? Anything else you want to add or ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So that's a reminder for the session then. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.